Business mathematics or question paper pora eta problem loisu. Questionat koise find average profit function and marginal profit function for the following total profit function. Questionat amak eta total profit function dia ase aro ei function tur pora average profit aro marginal profit functions uliabo lage. That means ei problem tu ahise application of derivatives or pora. Aru question tut logote koise evaluate them at q equals 5. That means jodi quantity ba output 5 units hoy tetia average profit aru marginal profit or value kiman hobo hudise. So problem to solve koru. Prothomote likhi lobo lagibo je total profit function. Then average profit function. Jetia total function etar pora average function eta uliao tetia quantity ba q re divide koribo lage. Jodi total cost or pora average cost uliabo lage tene hole tc divided by q hobo. Ba jodi total revenue function or pora average revenue function uliabo lage tetia tr divided by q hobo. Yate average profit uliabo lage so total profit function divided by q ba quantity hobo. So average profit is equal to total profit by quantity. Total profit dia ase q squared minus 12q plus 50 divided by q. Q squared by q kiman hobo je q minus 12q by q 12 plus 50 divided by q. So eitwe hoise required average profit function. Amak average profit function aru marginal profit functions duotake evaluate koribo dise at q equals 5. Mane ei function tut q thait 5 bohai dia. So when q is equal to 5, average profit hobo 5 minus 12 plus 50 divided by 5. 5 minus 12 minus 7 plus 50 by 5 kiman 10. So 10 minus 7 that is equal to 3. So q ba output tetia 5 units hoy tetia average profit hoy rupees 3 ba 3 units of money. That is farme jodi 5 units bonai gene bikri kore tetia farmer per unit 3 toka ke profit hobo. Etia uliao marginal profit function. Jetia eta total function or pora marginal function eta uliabo lage tetia total function of differentiate koribo lage. That is derivative of a total function is the marginal function. Yate total profit function of differentiate korile marginal profit function to pam. So d by dq p value to bahai dia yate. Q squared minus 12q plus 50. Q squared or derivative 2q minus 12q derivative 12. Aro 50 derivative 0. So marginal profit function is 2q minus 12. When the at q equals 5, marginal profit kiman hobo q thait 5 likhi dia. So 2 into 5 minus 12. 2 into 5, 10 minus 12. So 10 minus 12 that is equal to minus 2. Moi tatkhanat ei answer tur meaning tu bujai disu. Farme already 5 bonai ase. Jodi farme 5 tar pora 6 units bonai. Tetia total profit. Farmer total profit kiman change hobo je minus 2. Mane farme jodi 5 tar pora 6 units bonai tene hole farmer total profit 2 toka komi jabo. So ekhini asil amar answer. Video to completely sawa babe thank you.